Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Sydney and I try to put out videos every week. Today we have a sneaker unboxing video. This is for the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil colorway. So just some background, I believe that these were only available through Adidas on the app and through Yeezy Supply. So I got these on the app. And I just gotten the Zyons on the app too. So I have another video where I talk about the Zyons and like kind of just how the app works. But it's basically a draw, it's a raffle. You put in your information. You could put it like, not necessarily the day of, but you can put it like a week in advance or something. So then the day that the shoes released, which was Saturday, August 22nd, they basically go through and pick the draw, and you can kind of see like they have a thing at the top that shows like what percentage of the way they are through drawing your size, so you can kind of see. And honestly, they were towards the end, so I thought that I was not gonna get them, but I did, because when I recently got the Zyons, it was pretty quick into the draw. If you win the draw, they'll basically just charge your card on the spot and then ship it out, so no work on your part. So I think a lot of people were able to get the Israfils, and I mean, the more I was hearing about the Zyons, I was surprised how many people didn't get them. But I mentioned, I think that I just have a lot more luck with Adidas than Nike, but I don't know, maybe it's gonna be a short-lived thing, who knows. The draw for these was on Saturday the 22nd, and it's currently Tuesday the 25th, so these shipped and were delivered real fast. My Zyons, that was not the case. I think it took like 3 weeks or something, I don't know. So the shipping a lot faster this time. All right, so let's unbox them because I haven't looked at them yet. I didn't know if I was gonna enter this draw because I didn't know how I felt about them, to be honest, but I kind of just think it's always good because, you know, worst case scenario, you just sell them if you don't love them. So I am a women's 9 and I get an 8 in Yeezys. So all right, here we go. Here's typical Yeezy box. Okay, so I'm sliding them out. I feel like I'm so bad at showing this, but they're all wrapped up. Oh, these are kind of cute. They're like, they look different than, not like super different, but I don't know, like I thought, I don't know, I like them more in person. Okay, so hear me out. I feel like the pictures of them, they kind of look like really like gray, I guess, but in person they're like more blue, kind of. Here's what they look like. I think you get the idea. Pretty standard. I think the biggest change here is the infinity lace. I guess I was hearing like if you wanted to switch out the laces, you have to cut this. It's kind of, I mean, I don't know how else you'd be able to do it, but. And these, just like all the other 350s, they retail for $220. And it does come with extra laces in case you don't want the infinity laces, but I'll probably keep them on. This looks like really see-through. I mean, I know it's always see-through, but I feel like since it's like you can really see through it. I don't know if that's a good observation. I really like the color of the soles too. I think that's different. Okay, I think I've showed you every view. I don't know. I feel like it's like at this point there's so many Yeezys and we all know what 350s look like that we don't need to really dive into that much detail. So if I were to look at these compared to one another, just in terms of like the design, I think they're actually like pretty similar in terms of like which way the stitching's going and like the fabric. I'm like looking in the camera to see and not like here, so yeah, so you can see that these two are very similar as far as the actual design goes. I guess obviously the biggest difference would be the laces. I didn't know if I was gonna keep these, but I think I am. I knew I'm the worst because anytime I say I'm ordering something just to see if I like it, guess what? I always like it. But yeah, I actually like this colorway a lot more in person than I did online because to be honest, I wasn't in love with it. I don't know what it was. It just wasn't my favorite. But in person I like it a lot more. It almost looks like a chambray, kind of like the color of it. I just feel like in pictures and on camera it looks more gray, but it's definitely a little more blue in person. Not a ton, but it kind of like the color of like a light to medium wash of denim. So I think these are actually really cool. People think they're like the opposites of the linen, and I kind of like the infinity laces because I don't ever like, not even just for Yeezys, but for any like sneaker, I'm one of those people that like laces them so I don't have to tie them. So this is good for people like me. All right, and now I'm just going to try them on and show you guys how they look on the feet to give you an idea. All right, guys, and here is a quick shot of them on the feet. I still have the tag on, but thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it offered you a better look at these shoes because I know like there wasn't a ton out there prior to them dropping. Like usually you can find videos before the shoes, you know, actually arrive at your house, of, you know, real people with them. But for this shoe, I wasn't really able to find that. So I hope that that's helpful. And then how do you feel about this colorway? Because I know that like the general consensus is that like 350s are just so overdone, but I just think they're like kind of comfortable. So, and how do you guys feel about like the infinity laces? And did anyone else get these? And are you keeping them? Or are you selling them? Or did you not get them and you're still gonna buy them? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know if you would like to see more sneaker videos because I love these ones. Thanks guys, bye.